is this: your perfect break and retest, or if it's not a perfect break and retest, then guess what? It's a double bottom or double top continuation. Does everybody understand this? Lower highs and higher lows are going to ruin you with this strategy. You're absolutely going to get destroyed. And the reason for that is because the market does not move the same way on the 1 minute time frame as you think it does. All right. So if you're taking lower highs or higher lows now, and you can see that you're not getting the results you want, it's probably for that exact reason. The next pattern that we're going to look at here is a lower high, higher low continuation. Now, this pattern is not represented how it's drawn here, but I couldn't draw it in a way that you would understand it. The higher low, lower high continuation is a pattern, and I'm going to share it with you anyway in some of the examples, is a pattern that breaks out of structure, creates a slight pause in the market, and then continues up. For the simple fact that I haven't illustrated it here because I couldn't properly, I'll just try my best to show you now. It's basically a break of structure and then a slight pause where the market does this and this before then continuing the rally up. And it's the same for the downtrend. It's a continuation to the downside with a slight pause like this and then a continuation to the downside. Now, in my opinion, this is alongside double bottoms and double tops. There is one more that you need to learn about in terms of structure. This is a super powerful strategy, structure. And this is recognizable by 1 or 2 candles. So it's a push to the upside with a strong wick, or a strong body candle to the upside, and then a single pause or a double pause before a continuation. After the double pause, the market is not moving in your direction. But I'm going to go into more examples on this. What I need you to zero in on is what I'm illustrating in terms of these structures that you're going to be trading. So they will look like higher lows, but they will be more compressed. So they won't have the separation that we talked about before, which is the box pattern. It will be price literally pulling back like this, creating some sort of support, as you could say, and then continuing back to the upside. Again, I've got illustrations for you, so don't sweat it. It will be coming shortly. Any questions on this, or does everybody understand this? Okay, now look, there is something you must know. On the 1 minute time frame, price does not create support and resistance how you think it does. If the market is pushing up, making a higher high, as you can see here, right? If price is pushing up to make a higher high, as you can see here, and then pulls back with 1 candle, and then a second candle does not break it, that is classed as a support that is as strong as any level in the market. Okay? Again, you have to trust me on this. The reason for that is because the momentum shift on the 1 minute time frame is insane. And because it moves so quick, if you're waiting for those perfect trading opportunities or patterns, you're not going to get them. And a lot of this strategy in terms of trading the 1 minute time frame with what I'm teaching you now will only get better as you execute and you build more confidence, because the way it moves is not the same as it moves on the other time frames. Now, yes, you'll get examples with candles. Chat, do you understand this point up till now? Okay,